I'm starting on Canva with a canvas size of 1080 by 1080 px. Then we're going to do the background, and I already had this picture saved. Now I'm going to go to elements and then shapes and pick a square. I'm going to resize the square and then mess with the transparency. Now that I have the background, it's time for me to start adding all my other elements. I'm starting off with the search bar. I'm going to place it and then start adding my text. Now it's time to add my photos. I'm gonna go to templates and I'm going to go to my recently used and select this template that I have found that I like and just take that piece from it. Now all I gotta do is just drag and drop my photos. Now I've added and resized my first photo, so I'm gonna copy and paste it and get a glitter background. Now I'm just gonna place it over so I can do my layers. Then I'm gonna duplicate it one more time, and I'm going to add in this photo of that green color to match the original photo, and then place that behind. When you are customizing this and making it your own, keep in mind that for you to change the glitter background and the color photo, it's easy. All you have to do is drag and drop. So rather than you clicking the color wheel and adding a color to your canvas and to your flyer, it has to actually be a photo of the color. So you would just add another page and you would make that page the color that you needed, save that, and then add it and drag and drop it. Now I'm doing basically the same thing on the other side, and I'm using the second photo of De'Ara, but I flipped it so it's not showing her face. Now it's time for me to add my text. I'm using the holiday font and I'm adding a shadow. Now I have the main text and I just have to add a couple more things. For the box with the code, all I'm doing is going to elements and shapes and getting a box and just resizing it. Now I'm moving stuff around and making sure it's all in the right place before I add the rest. Now I'm adding the social media icons. Make sure you take your time lining them up and making sure it looks perfect. Last but not least, we're gonna add the palm trees. Now we're all done. All I'm doing is putting on the finishing touches and making sure the placements is right so I can get it as close to the original as possible. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, go check out my other tutorials. If you're interested in buying this pre-made template that I showed you how to make in this video, it's available on my Etsy shop. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.